It's indeed my pleasure to welcome you to yet another exciting edition of Unka. As the name implies, you should already know what to expect. So basically what we do on the show is just to bring you your favorite acts who come here, express their art, tell us about their beautiful journey, as well as give us undiluted fun. Tonight, we are going to be having enough. When I mean enough, I have my reasons for saying so. When we come back from the short break, which we are going to go in on right now, you are going to be finding out why I said that we are going to be having enough. Like when I mean plenty fun here on the show, because we've got someone whom you all would love to meet coming through on the show tonight. My name is Rochelle, and once again, I say a very big welcome to tonight's edition of the show. And also, I want to let you know that it's my pleasure to have you join us once again here. Now, let's go on a short break. When we come back, it's going to be showtime. Welcome back. You are still watching Unka here on Afia TV. We are broadcasting live on DSTV channel 254 and Go TV channel 17. My name remains Rochelle, and yes, it's that time for us to have, the needed dose of undiluted fun that I said we are going to be having on the show today. So I can never be alone on the show. It's practically impossible. So tonight I am joined by someone that I would first say that he has multiple personalities, because he's not just one thing. There are other things that he is, and he's also a trailblazer. It's very important that, I bring this one out, bring it to the forefront. Now, this person I am talking about, first and foremost, is a musician. He is an Afrobeat artist, and he is the king of Orishirishi. I don't know what you understand as Orishirishi, but Orishirishi, like, it contains a lot of things. He's going to be telling us what his own Orishirishi is made of. Whether it's that Orishirishi that we know, about a soup that has plenty of Orishirishi inside. And aside from that, he's also a songwriter, he's an actor, he's a designer, he's a chef, he's a DJ, he's a writer, a premium enjoyment dispenser. Please, let's give this particular person I am talking about a round of applause. It's not easy, like having this long profile. Now, this person I am talking about, he goes by the name Shakar, the one and only Shakar. Should we do drum rolls for you?
Of course.
Okay, so drum rolls.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for having me. Je m'appelle Shakar. My name is Shakar, a.k.a. Shakar. The global king of Orishirishi.
The global king of Orishirishi. Odiraisi, I can actually attest to it. How are you doing tonight?
I'm great, as you can see.
You actually look great, by the way.
How are you doing tonight?
I'm okay, though I've had a rough day, but
how does it feel having Shakar?
The energy. The energy is 10 over 10. And there's just something about you, lighting up the mood and the room as well.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you're doing.
That's what I do anyway. Once I step up in the room, bring the vibe.
It's impossible for you to come into somewhere without people, not knowing that you are in that environment.
Very impossible.
It's our pleasure to have you here in Unka tonight.
Thank you for having me.
So I said you are going to be explaining to us what your Orishirishi is. You are the king of Orishirishi.
Oh, yeah.
So which of the Orishirishi is?
First of all, Orishirishi is sweet. First of all.
Okay.
So you can see, look at the sweets. And Orishirishi is varieties. And that shows, all the things I do, everything about me, Shakar as an artist, songwriter, writer, chef, designer.
So did you design this?
Oh, yes.
Wow, you did?
I did.
Okay.
Everything.
I have something for you.
Everything here, apart from my watch and my shoes.
From beginning to the end of it.
Oh, yeah.
You deserve a round of applause.
Have you seen anybody like this?
Let me give
but have you seen anybody? If you see, they copy from me. People are always copying me.
Hey,
and it's all right. It's all right. But just give me credit.
Please, people should stop copying from
No,
Shakar.
copy. No.
They should copy.
When, as an ocean of gifts and talents.
Okay.
I'm not stingy, baby.
And then you are a trailblazer, so all you do is just to set the pace for them to follow.
My issue is when people don't give me credit. You know, when you copy me and you try to make it look like you're the first. No, don't do that. That's when I get angry.
So have you caught someone who tried?
A lot of these artists, they copy me every day.
Hey, oh my gosh.
A lot of them.
And have you tried, to take any legal step about?
No. You don't want to go that way? I don't want to sue somebody. I just come and beg. Why do you do that? Don't do that. You know, they're my brothers and sisters. So you just go call the person out or just talk to them privately? Sometimes I do that. No, I have to call them out. You know, I have to call them out so that others will know.
That it's not
Let people know the source.
Okay.
You know, you can copy me. It's all right. You know, but let people know
that this is where the inspiration
let them know who they inspire you
coming from.
Don't act like saying I use Shakar. No. That's where I get angry. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You know, tell them where you got it from.
Okay, so we are still going to talk about how you are able to be doing so many things and doing it perfectly well, because I'm still very amazed that you designed this. You started yourself tonight. It's very impressive. But before we get to that part of the conversation, you are all about enjoyment.
Oh, yes.
Creating lasting fun memories. In fact, there was something you said on your IG. That's how you put it. You say, every other thing, Najara, this life is all about flexing, having fun.
Yeah.
So was there a particular experience or an incident that happened, for you to have this perspective about life?
I've been through a lot. Even though I don't.
What kind of? Do you live with a lot right now?
I know how to handle my loads. You know what I'm saying? So I'm someone with experience. So that's why I preach happiness. I preach enjoyment. Because if you postpone your enjoyment, I think that's arrogance, because you're feeling that you're going to be here tomorrow. Who told you you're going to be here tomorrow?
You don't know what's going to happen the next minute.
You don't know about tomorrow. So enjoy today.
Yeah.
Live like there's no tomorrow. I'm not advising you to be extravagant, to be wild or anything. But, that humility is knowing that, tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Yeah.
So when I see people planning for 30 years' time, 20 years' time, you can plan for it, but don't do it like, you're so sure that you'll be there.
You're going to be there too, then.
Do it with humility. Oh, God, if I'm there, so be able to enjoy the moments. I believe in the moments.
Okay.
Enjoy today.
The moments,
enjoy today, make the best out of today, and tomorrow will sort itself out.
So for you now, you want to have fun, you want to enjoy. How do you go about it? Like what do you usually do?
I'm right here, it's fun.
Okay,
and it's
right,
work.
It's fun. So aside here in Kokwan, like all the places.
Before I got here, I was doing something different from entertainment. So we call engineer. They don't even know what I do. So I wear different hats. If you see me, you can see me in the market where I'm sorting my fabrics. I'm a different person. Like I will look like any other person in there.
Okay.
If you see me on TV, you're seeing a superstar. You know what I'm saying? So for me, like I love being able to do different things. And that's not me trying to be everything. That's me being all the best that I can be. Some of us are gifted. Maybe we have one gift.
Yeah.
Some of us, we have multi-gifts.
So many,
So some people, maybe they have one gift. They can't believe that you are doing this, you are doing that. Is it everything you want to do? No, it's not everything that I want to do. But it's my calling, and in those things, like, I can do them.
Okay.
So it's not me trying to do everything. These things are my gifts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if you see me making music, I'm passionate about it. I've been doing it all my life. Even if I don't make one night, I'll still be doing music. It's different from someone that is making music because they want to be famous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or because, they want to make money. Take away the money, I'll still be doing music. Take away the fame, whatever. I'm not even crazy about those fame. Like me, I want to sell my music and still be able to live my normal life. I love my normal life, like I love it. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I enjoy everything I do. You see me, doing my fashion, I love it. You know what I'm saying? Like these fabrics, I got it,
But do you just make this for yourself, or this as a business?
Yeah, the business side is coming, you know.
Okay.
Like me, I'd like to take my time.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to figure things out. Because one problem we have in Nigeria, you know, is when it comes to quality control.
Okay.
Yeah, quality control.
I actually agree with you in that.
Yeah, you know, they tell us, you know, our people, they don't like to get things right. You know, so when anything that I have to involve people to work for me, you know, I get paranoid, you know, because they might not deliver the kind of stuff I want.
Want them to
do. So that's the only issue, you know, and it also takes time. And you know me, if I'm not in this country, I'm in the other country.
And you know,
there's not much time.
When I asked you what you do for fun, I was actually expecting you, you know, to give us some hints, because I know when it comes to, you know, touring the world.
Yeah, that's just one of it.
You're so good with that.
That's just one of it.
Exploring.
You know, exploring the world, seeing the world, because you know, traveling is the best education. Trust me.
You have a point. Great point.
Traveling is the best education. For me, I've been, you know, to so many countries, witnessed so many cultures, you know, and that will teach you how to respect people, respect cultures, respect religion, you know, respect people for who they are.
Yeah.
You understand? You can't go to other countries and enjoy it if you don't respect them.
You have to abide by the rules.
By the rules, by their culture,
simple,
by, you know what I'm saying? So you can't go there and say, oh, this is how we do it in our country. This is how my mom used to cook it.
They'll just kick you out.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you have to be humble and learn, you know. I go to countries that I don't even know the language. And
somehow.
Once I drop my bag in the hotel, I'll be moving like I live there. My confidence is suspicious. Like, you know, it's like I'm home.
Okay, so you have so many callings, which you are answering. But we're going to start off with the music calling.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah, the number one. The number one. And I also love the fact that, you know, music for you is not all about the money. It's all about what you really love doing, what you are passionate about. Because we see so many persons today who do it for the money, and that's why you see them going to extra lengths, you know, just to make sure that they get that money out of that business, and they don't mind whether they step on
for the clouds.
Yeah, or even for the cloud. Like,
right now, for
doing
the clouds.
the unthinkable. Like, we've seen some person even declare themselves dead. Meanwhile, they are alive because they want a particular song to sell. Yes, like we'll see people doing crazy things. So I want to know, can you share with us how your musical journey started? You know, at the point you discovered that this is my thing, and how you followed it up, because it's one thing discovering that, oh, you have a passion, you have a calling for this thing, and then it's another thing you following up.
Okay, so I would say entertainment. You know, growing up as a kid, I was like maybe 6 or 7. You know, the first time I knew that, oh, I had something is that when I go to parties, I start dancing. I was a shy boy. So it's hard for me to get to the dance floor. Everybody will dance, but I know I can do this better than these people, but I don't have the confidence. You understand? So I'll close my eyes and get in the middle. When I start dancing, they stop every other person.
Wow.
So it becomes a show. And people start spraying money and all that. And the next day they'll be asking my brothers, who taught him how to dance like this? And guess what? None of them knows how to dance like that. You know what I'm saying?
Where did you learn how to dance like that?
I don't know.
It just comes in.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand? So from there, then when I was in primary school, I think it was primary 4, we had a neighbor. She had a show like this on TV. Back in those days in Enugu, ESBS, you know, it's called Children Variety Show. Yeah, Mrs. Eze. God bless Mrs. Eze.
So you grew up in this town?
Yeah, 042 original.
For life.
Oh yes, you know. So we used to go to this show as children, and we, you know, perform songs, you know, mime songs. Back in those days, Shabarang, you know, Queen Latifah, you know. Yeah, from there I started getting exposure about, you know, performance. So I started my first performance was on TV. You know, so by the time I got into secondary school, I started, you know, miming songs, organizing shows. I was really active in secondary school, like active, you know, going on stage, you know, miming other people's songs, you know. After then, I started freestyling, making my own songs, but I never went to the studio.
So what were you doing there? You were just freestyling without recording?
Freestyling without recording.
Okay.
I never went to the studio till when I moved to London, many years later. You know, because I knew I can do this. But one thing about me, I take my time.
Okay.
Anything
so you don't just rush things.
No.
So when you come in, people will be like, oh,
back in those days,
who's this dog?
Most of those people, like most of my friends that went into the studio, they don't even do music. They didn't even go far with it. You understand what I'm saying? But I took my time.
Okay.
Till 2008. That was my first time in the studio. Went to see some of my friends. I said, wow, so this is the studio. That's how it works. Okay, fine. I'll be back. The next time I came back, I recorded my first single. No demo, single. I mean, my first attempt on the microphone, on the studio, went straight to radio stations. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, and become like a radio banger. It was a hit. Back in those days, Cosmo FM, everywhere, they were jamming it. It was real. So, like, I was preparing myself till that day I got in the studio and I delivered. You know, some other people, they might be doing demos and recording before they have a single. But my first time on the microphone, that was a single. And I mean a hot single. And hot till today. Like, if I jam it today, it still sounds fresh.
Okay.
That's one thing about my music, Rishi music. It's always fresh.
Yeah, true. You are absolutely correct.
So yeah, so since then, you know, I've been, you know, doing my thing in my own way, no pressure. You know, this music for me is a lifetime thing.
Something, okay.
You understand? So people don't get it. I say, see, I've been doing this all my life. Before the whole red carpet, celebrity. I don't even know what celebrity when I said to do music. When I chose to be a musician, I didn't know what is celebrity, fame, trending. So those things don't matter to me.
So you're just all about living your life.
Living my life.
Just having
real,
the best
and it's real. It's real. It's not, you know, it's not fake. If you see me doing something, it's real. You know what I'm saying? So my music, when you listen to my music, you can tell I'm not trying to do, I don't care what is trending. You know, and when people blow, blow. So I say, some people, they don't blow away. Where are they now? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
So enjoy yourself. If you say you're a musician, you have to enjoy making music. You know what I'm saying? So you should not be under pressure.
Under pressure. So for you, you don't see music from the business.
Of course, I see the business because I invest money. So I expect to make money. When you invest something into something, you know, you need some ROI.
Yeah.
You understand? But I'm not like under pressure to do that. You know, whether I make money or not is not really my, like, is not my goal. The major goal is my purpose. You know, achieving my purpose. You know, I invest money. Yes, I want to make money back. But music is like real estate. You understand?
Is it really?
Yes.
Okay.
It's even bigger than real estate. Because guess what? When you have your catalog, today, it might not worth a lot, but in the next 10 years, it might worth millions of dollars.
Actually relate to this, just like what happened with the Gogo Gongo song.
Thank you.
Yes.
So a song from 1970s.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, coming to be a hit.
Now.
Smash hit in 2024.
Yes.
So if any musician is telling me, this is music, I know they do it again, I'll be laughing. I'll be laughing because you don't understand. This is the best time to be a musician. Back in the days, it was harder. Now you have social media, you have the streaming platforms. There are many ways to make money. So all you have to do is to be consistent. You know, keep doing your thing. Don't be under pressure.
Just be you.
Just be you. One day, you go connect. And it is not just one word. There's other song.
There are so many
by
of them.
Kumzi, you know that?
Yeah,
and
who get that thing where they went to the dance floor? Yeah.
It was trending. That song was like 2006. It's trending this year. So you see, that song you're calling, there's something like an old song. An old song is old to someone that have known the song over the years. But to the new ear, it's a new song. You know? And one day your song can become big in one country and you start making, see, man, music till the day I die. There's no retirements for me. I don't know for other people, man. You can retire fine, man. Call me for your retirement party. I'll be there.
But for you,
never.
It's a lifetime something.
Yes, man.
Okay, so we're still going to be talking more about you.
Yeah.
But right now, we're going to go on a short break.
Fantastic.
Yes. When we come back, we are going to continue. We still have the one and only Shakar L right here in the building. Do not go anywhere. We are going to be right back. Yes, of course, it's still the Tuesday edition, and tonight we are still joined by Shakar L Mama here in the studios of Afia TV. Welcome back, guys. Shakar L, how far now? How you doing?
I'm good. I'm
You're
chilled,
good, right?
man. I wasn't going home.
Oh, you don't think you're going home?
No, this
okay. We've got a mattress. Yeah, so
no,
okay, here.
This is fantastic.
You want to sleep here. It's not good. No
I don't know about sleeping. These days, you know they sleep again. This
so
economy.
what did I do?
You sleep in this economy.
Why won't you sleep?
I know they sleep.
Does being awake solve the problem? Being awake, does it solve the problem?
You have to be awake.
What if you're awake doing nothing?
No, I have to be doing something.
Oh, you have to be doing something.
No, I must be doing something.
You're lucky that you have something doing, because some persons don't have anything doing.
We need to make some hits, man. Come up with some ideas, you know.
Okay, yeah. Talking about hits. You know, you recently dropped something for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fond of giving it to us, like, just give it to us bad boys.
You know, when I'm in the mood.
You just drop something.
Just like I tell you, I don't like being under pressure.
No, yeah, I know.
When I feel like, it'd be like I won't give them something, I could just give them.
But you know, it's not really fair, though. You should also consider us as well. Not just
you people have other people feeding you.
No. Forget about
they're
other
feeding
people.
you different things.
We are about you.
Me, I bring the rishi to the table.
The rishi sound. You bring your own rishi sound. So we have the periwinkle.
Oh yeah.
I don't love the name of this.
Periwinkle, yeah.
Periwinkle. Like, it makes it sound like something you should eat. Yeah, let me eat this.
That's what you do to my music. You consume it. It's
let me
safe.
eat it, yeah.
It's sweet. It's an experience.
Yeah.
You see, when you listen to my music, you know, you have to listen to it with open mind. You know, don't expect to hear something that sounds like somebody you know before. It's a different
It just has
vibe.
to be you.
You understand? You have to be open-minded, you know, to grasp the whole thing, you know. So yeah, Periwinkle is one of the songs on my last album, Sounds of Shakar L. You know, we also have CC Havana, Pro Code, which I shot the video in South Africa. We have Everyday Young, you know, just like you, Everyday Young.
Same with you as well, Everyday Young.
Thank you. That's the plan. That's the major plan. Yeah, you know, and a whole lot of, you know, sweet songs. We have Ogolo in there, you know. Go check out Sounds of Shakar L. It's out there in every music platform, Audio Mag, Spotify, everywhere, you know, Apple Music. And I have a new single coming soon.
When? How soon is that coming
25th of October. I say I need to give you something for December so that you people, you know, have something to chill with.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So you don't say Shakar didn't do something for you this Christmas.
No, but no one.
Plan something in advance.
You really tried this time around.
Yeah. So we started Shakar Bonita. You can go and pre-order it. The pre-order link is out now. You know. Yeah, and it's a collaboration.
With who?
Yeah, with a big trio from Uganda.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, big trio guy that did a party after party.
Party after party. After party, after party.
Oh yeah. Hey. I said, my brother, the party is over. Come, let's do a new song.
So, how are you able, you know, to pull him through on your upcoming projects?
Yeah, Big Tree is a cool guy, you know. Yeah, you know, we linked up through, well, my friend is late now, Striker. Shout out to Striker Entertainment. You know, he made it happen, and we linked up. And trust me, I don't like talking too much.
You don't like talking too much.
You go be like, say,
yeah, you're trying to hide.
Go and feel it when it comes out. But before that one, go and listen to my album. So you understand, my album will be like an appetizer to what's coming. You know? So me, I don't like talking too much. You go be like, hey, now you sing them.
So they try hype your own work. Okay, let me take you back to that Periwinkle track. You know, you were talking about IGBO Wada, and you know the whole hype and everything.
Yeah.
So it felt like there's a particular person in mind when you were talking about the IGBO Wada. Was
You know,
it just you singing?
It's just me singing.
Okay.
Because music is expression, and someone else that can be listening to the song might have is with Wada, and they'll be yeah. So that's what it's all about. As an artist, you can't just sing only about your experiences. You also have to think about other people. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The audience, how they're feeling. Like in my album, I have a song titled $1, $1. It's a song talking about the situations, the economic situations of the country. See, my music is not just about fun and enjoyment, even though that's what I preach. But I also talk about things where they happen for the country. I also have the song IDP, talking about the internal displaced people in Nigeria. So when I say my music is a rishi music, it cuts across every
space of life.
Yes, whether you are in love, or you're looking for
out
money,
of love,
or you're out of money, or you're out of love.
Out of love, anyway.
You're broken your heart, like a song called Carolina, Caro. It's about heartbreak.
Yeah.
So there is something for everybody.
So as a man that is multiple talented, how do you manage all the things that you do? Like only you they sing, only you they write, only you be chef, only you be designer, only you be this, only you be that. How do you balance all this and make sure that none? I know music is the number one. But others, how do you make sure that you balance them so they complement each other?
You say the balance. Just like a woman with 9 children.
Okay.
These days, you see a woman who get quadruplets or what? You know what I'm saying? So, you have to make time for it. So sometimes I wake up as Shakar the artist. Sometimes I wake up
as
Shakar the chef. The content creator. The travel vlogger, the designer, and you can see me in the streets of Aba, searching for my fabrics and all that, And sometimes I'm an engineer, being the sites and doing the things, going to different places, getting my stuff. See, whenever I'm doing that particular thing, I sink myself in it, like it's deep. I forget any other thing. I'm lost in that particular world. Nothing else matters. So if I'm doing this particular thing, even though there's a way that they're interconnected.
Yeah.
Because if I'm, going out there to get my fabrics, I'm looking at, okay, these fabrics will be good for something that I wear on stage. This can be good for, just chilling. This can be good for events. So I'm still thinking about me as an artist, how to present myself through my attire, So that way, you see, it's connected.
Yeah.
And being a DJ, that's still about music. And if you see me in my kitchen is not just any other kitchen. You'll see that it's a vibe. It's like a studio. There's still music going in on, And they're interwoven at the end of the day. But there are other things I do that maybe they are mostly under entertainment. But when I'm doing this, I'm more into that. I want to be seen as this at that time.
Anyone you pick, you must be in character.
I do, yes.
Yeah.
And also I'm an actor. I'm an actor.
I know you are. I mentioned it earlier. I said you're also an actor as well.
I've been in like 2 movies.
When I grow up, I'm going to be like you.
I'm not really passionate about acting. I'm not going to lie, because I think it's stressful for me. So it's not something I'm passionate about. But some people out there, they come for me. They say, Shaka, we have a script for you. So I've been in 2 movies. One was on Netflix, in the beginning days of Netflix. It's called Bomo Express with Ramsey Noah, Ikechukwu, Osaz, Egudairo. What's the other guy's name? Lots of superstars, We did that in 2016, and my songs were used as soundtracks. I have my song Shimbadebo, Shoki Galala. Yeah. And also, I think during the lockdown, I did another one, Mamba's Diamond. This guy, what's his name? Oh God, I've forgotten his name, but we had different superstars there as well. Yeah, and they came for me like, you know, I always tell people are watching you.
You think they're not, but
Trust
they are.
me, people are watching you. So when they watch you and they have something, they come to you, yo, I think you're good for this role. So they come for me. I mean, I can do anything, but acting, you know, I can do it, but it's not something I look forward to. Because it takes time. You be in the sets. You don't know when they're gonna call you.
Yeah, maybe
reading the scripts.
Simone.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm not passionate about
acting.
acting.
Okay.
You know, but I'm available. You know, and right now you see Netflix, they're doing big stops. So anybody that call me now, hey,
the person is going to be
pay money. The money is gonna be loud. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get you.
And in foreign currency.
Oh, not even in naira.
No.
I don't understand. What is that?
No, we're gonna like it's serious thing now.
Okay.
Because see, I have something that they need.
Yeah.
Because it's not me going after them
and
saying I want to be an actor.
Self-awareness, like knowing you and knowing
yeah, because I'm never gone out for when they say I want to act in any movie. They come for me. You understand? So they're saying something. So the next person that's gonna come to me, hey,
just go and get your money.
You are
ready.
gonna talk to my people. You understand? Your people will talk to my people, and he's gonna know you're gonna pay.
Okay, Shakar. You know, it's been nice finding out so much about you and your person, and you know, the icing on the cake is finding out that you are a serious-minded person as well as a business-minded person.
Yeah.
You don't joke with your money.
Hey, I'm the IGBO man. IGBO man. How can I play with my money?
And then you love fun as well. See, everything is just balanced for you.
Yeah.
So now we have something for you.
Woo.
Yeah, woo. I love that expression.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
We've got a little surprise for you.
Okay.
Yes. I don't know what it's all about, but we are going to be finding out right now, straight up.
Okay.
All
right, let's go.
Yes. Let's see how you're going to feel about it.
Okay.
Whether it's something you did love, or it's just something you would want to be kept in secret.
Hey.
Yeah, hey.
Oh,
what are you thinking of? What do you think that thing is?
I don't know. Mama don't like surprises.
Oh, Mama don't like surprises.
No.
Okay, we're going to surprise you here on the show today. On the show, we do, you know, sometimes what you do not like.
Well, you know what I like? Is money.
Money. Don't worry. It might even be
peace
money.
of mind.
It might even be money. Don't worry. This one will give you peace of mind. So let's see our not so little and not so big surprise that we've got for Shakar L. What, Mama? Right here.
Oh!
Okay.
What?
That's number one.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this
So
is
you
back
love,
in the
you love
days.
this one, right?
Oh my God! This is back in the days, man. Oh, it's Baba. Okay.
Let's see what's next.
You guys are oh shit! You see this? Yeah, this was you see that Cuban cigar? That was in 2005, man. 2005. It's a Kenny's music show. Yeah, that's D1. So that was that same night, 2005, Kenny's Music Fiesta in London.
Do you know where I was in 2005?
So when I tell people we have been outside before the invention of outside. Oh.
So this one.
Femi Kuti. That's in the African Shrine. Oh, that's IK. Where was this? IK, yeah. Superman. We actually use the same gym in Lagos. Oh, rest in peace, Source of Time. That's my man.
Honestly, I miss this guy so much.
Yeah, it was a real G. Oh! You see, this was in the days of Congaso.
But why you always, like, I see you as a happy person. You've always
I'm happy. Like I told you, I preach happiness.
Like, all your
you know?
pictures, you're just excited.
That's back in the days when I'm with my dreads and all that. See, we've been there, we've done that.
So why did you take them off?
No, you know, I was living in that abroad that time. I cannot carry this in Nigeria.
Why?
No,
What's going to happen? But what's the person say in Nigeria that wear dreads?
I don't like, you know, just like I told you, I don't like, I like to disappear in the crowd. If I'm in some kind of places.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to be noticed. So anything that get me noticed, like dress and all that, you know,
you just take it off.
They single me out.
So what about this one?
Whoa, that's 2004. Oh, wow. Oh, God. So that's Notting Hill Carnival in London, 2004. I think that was a few months after I landed there. And the next year, look at, oh, God.
Feeling is
We've been, oh, my God.
It's not even getting better in any way for you.
See the afro? You people are, oh! What?
You want to enter the ground right now?
Yo, see? This is my first photo shoot in my life, you know. So I just packed my clothes, went to a photo studio. That was like in 96, you know, somewhere in Okinawa Street called Captain Harris. You know, took my blazers and all that. You see, I've been the blazers guy from when I, you know, and I went there, take me a picture.
Take me a shot. So how many of it did you take then?
I can't remember, maybe like 3 shots. What I can afford, I was in secondary school now. I think I was in JS3 or something like that. So I needed something, you know. Now look at that. So I always tell people, create memories.
Create memories, very important.
You know, even though back in those days, I didn't take a lot of pictures like in school. I didn't take because I was shy, you know. Now,
and you did prefer to use that money to buy food and eat, like get snacks rather than snapping the pictures?
No, like as you can see, I took like group pictures in school.
Okay.
I didn't really do that. You know, I'm not really good with groups and all that. You know, I'm a solo guy, but then I'm cool with everybody.
Yeah.
But when it comes to like group meetings, back in those days, like I'll be fine. Yeah, but I'll tell people create memories because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So,
what do you feel? What do you think about our surprise?
I never saw that coming, man.
You didn't see it coming.
Well, that's evidence that I've been out there. You know, as you can see, all the people in those pictures, they are great people. You know, they're legendary people that have done a lot in our culture.
Yeah.
You know, today everybody say Afrobeat. You see, when I go to countries, you hear Afrobeat everywhere. And I said, you people, you don't get this. You don't understand where we're coming from. So, looking at those pictures, it's like the journey of Afrobeats. Because in there you can see Keke, D1, you know, Prime Time back in the days, you know. You can see Nice, Congasso was one of the biggest hits ever. You can see Two-Face.
Two-Face as well.
It's like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then you see Banky W. There's more. You people doing, there's loads with Wizkid and, you know. So yeah, it's like a journey. And I'm so happy to be able to be in this culture from day one
to this very moment
till right now, and I'm not going anywhere.
I love that part. I'm not going anywhere.
No plans to go anywhere. You know, so yeah. I'm humbled. I'm grateful.
All right. Yeah. So we are going to be playing games right now.
Whoa.
Another fun thing to do here.
Okay.
So the first game we're going to be playing is the rating games.
Rating?
Yes.
Okay.
Rating, you have to say it 2 times. You have to repeat after me. Yes, the rating games.
Okay.
So the rating games, they are super simple. So I'm going to be giving you names of some great artists. And out of that list, you are going to be telling me who your best is.
Okay.
And wait, hold on. Don't rush it. Allow me to finish. So you're going to tell me who your best is and who your worst is.
Oh.
It's super simple. Yeah, when you heard best, you thought that was the end of it. No, we have 2 things, best and worst. So let's get it started. Let's not waste time.
Okay.
Let's dive into this straight up. So the first artist that I have here is Chike.
Okay.
Number 2, Techno. 3, Flavor.
Okay.
4, Two-Face.
Okay.
And 5, Burna Boy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So from number 1 to number 5.
You know, you can't, you know, best and worst. There's no worst in there.
But it's just a game.
No.
Let's not go that way.
We have to.
A game.
It's not.
No, it's
There's
a
no
game.
worst.
Do not attach so much weight to it. It's just a game.
But anything I say carries so much weight because this is Shakar Mama. You know what I'm saying?
I know this is Shakar Mama, but we've had other persons play this game. It's just a game.
No, nothing is.
It's not going to hurt.
it's gonna hurt me not saying how the best. You see, they have good, better, best. You can't give me,
So
you can't give me
Shakar, let me ask you
best and
something.
worst.
Let me ask you something. Are you a guest on this show or you are a host?
I'm your co-host.
You're my co-host.
Maybe I'm different.
No, I'm not going to be accepting that.
I'm your co-host, darling.
No, you came here as
He's the king
guest.
of Orishi.
I know you're the king of Orishi.
Today we change the rules.
But no, here, let's not do that.
Yeah, we have to, darling.
That's not fair.
So when you talk about best in performance, Burna Boy.
Okay.
Best in performance.
Okay.
Coming next is Flavor. Wonderful performer.
Okay.
And you talk about the pop artist, best in pop, Techno.
All right.
And Chike gives you this, I don't know what to call it, man. Is it R&B mixed with high life? He's just different. And Tubaba, come on, legendary. So these people, they are all different. Am I missing anybody?
I'm just looking at you in 3D.
No, but that's
because you just redesigned the game to suit what you want.
Two can play the game.
Two can play the game, right? Okay, let's play this last one and let me see how you're going to escape from it. Let me see how you are going to escape this trap. So the last game we're going to be playing is called Impression Game.
Okay.
Yes. So you tell us who your favorite performer is, whether a musician, an actor, or a comedian.
My favorite performer in Nigeria.
It wasn't been out in Nigeria. It could be also Nigeria.
Burna Boy, man.
Burna Boy.
Yeah.
I said yesterday that it's high time I started restricting persons from mentioning Burna Boy's name here on this show, because almost everybody that come here, Burna Boy, Burna Boy. I know. I'm not. See, I'm not being a killer joy. You get, but people should mention other names now.
No, but you don't tell me to mention again. I have to express myself.
Don't mind me. I'm just joking. So this is what you're going to be doing for us. You chose Burna Boy.
Yeah.
So in not less than 30 seconds, I want you to mimic Burna Boy. Yes. Give us that Burna Boy feel here. Are you ready? Should I give you a countdown?
I tell you, I like his performance does not mean that,
Oh, God. What kind of trouble is this? Can you mimic him? Just mimic him for 30 seconds.
Burna Boy.
Yeah, you can sing one of his songs. You can talk like him. Just do something. Give us some Burna Boy
feeling. Talk safe.
Burna Boy. Just say something.
Burna Boy.
Do something.
Come on, man. How Burna Boy they even act?
Oh my God.
No, I'm sorry because I love his performance. He's my guy.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And one thing I love about him is his performance. And Burna have this UK vibe. I'm just trying to, and he can always, twist it. Today he's in his pidgin swag. Tomorrow he might be in this UK lingua.
So can you give us any of those vibe or swag?
I'm not a stan all this. I'm just
because of want of
he's
time.
My colleague.
Because of want of time. You've done your thing on the game section, no problem.
Okay,
you have your way.
Thank you. Hope I played well.
Excuse me, you did what?
Hope I played well.
You played nothing.
Scored me.
0/10.
Oh my God. This is the first time. See, in class that time, the lowest I've had was 6/10.
But today you are scoring the 0/10.
Now you're giving me 0.
Yes.
Do you know what I'll do?
What?
I'll go out there and put 1. Baby, you cannot know 1, Mama. King of Orishi. I get the experience. I'll add 1 in the front.
But I'm going to know because the ink of your pen can't be the same with mine.
You will know. They don't know it. The world,
they are going to notice.
They won't know.
Okay, so I'm telling you people now, he scored 0/10 on the games tonight. So in case you see any other thing out there, just know that it's a lie, like a fabricated score.
Oh my God.
And that's just that. Thank you very much for coming here on Oka. And also thank you specially for not playing our games.
I played this game.
You did not play any game. You did not play the game.
Should we start a game show? I can get sponsors.
You can get sponsors.
Yes.
We can actually have the conversation after the show,
Yeah. But this one, to the best of my knowledge. See, there's only like worst.
Okay, no problem.
It doesn't exist in my vocab.
Shakar L, no problem. You've done your thing, right? I can go for Rishi.
I didn't do anything.
No problem.
I just try to express myself.
No problem.
Baby.
No problem.
Yeah, understand
you're just calling me this baby now, just to
understand
confuse me. I refuse to be confused.
I'm not like that every day.
I refuse to be distracted.
No.
Thank you very much for coming on the show tonight, Shakar L.
I'm so happy to be here. Like, you know, this is one of the best moments of the month of October. You know, yeah.
All right.
Thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. Nka. Yeah. And hopefully we're going to have you some other time. Thank you as well for joining us on the show tonight. My name is Rochelle. Tomorrow is going to be another day, so make sure that at 8 p.m. you are here for another edition of Nka. Good night for now.